While our startup plan has you covered for all of your recruitment, database and application tracking needs, our Pro plan offers the LinkedIn extension. You can take candidates from LinkedIn and they'll go straight into your Just Recruit account. This means less time wasted on manual labour. Here's how it works. Navigate to LinkedIn and find the profile you would like to add to your Just Recruit account. Press the Just Recruit button next to the person's name and it will open the extension in the top right hand corner. From here you can add people to your database and the extension will take out the relevant information needed from their LinkedIn profile. Here is that candidate within the Just Recruit system. If you think they may already be in your database, you are able to search to find a match. Once matched with a Just Recruit record, you can update the existing information on their Just Recruit account with the information shown on their LinkedIn profile, ensuring you have the most up-to-date record. Maybe you aren't ready to add them to the database yet. You can quick add them to any project or long list that you may need. You may also add an action to a person that is within your database. As well as adding actions, you are able to add them to long lists and projects.